Hi guys, and welcome to SATMathtv. This is one of the easiest SAT math questions that many students skip or get wrong on Thursday. Let's look at it. If f of x is equal to 3 exponent 2x and g of x is equal to 9 exponent x, which is greater for all positive values of x? At first, this might look confusing, but there is a fast way to compare exponential functions like this, and I will show you how in less than 3 minutes. Okay, the most important thing is to look at this. It says for all positive values of x, which is greater for all positive values of x. So you can start by putting x as anything you like, and you will still arrive at the same conclusion. Okay, so let's say x is equal to 1, you still get the same conclusion. X is equal to 2, you will get the same conclusion, but the fastest would be x is equal to 1. So we shall put x is equal to 1 to help us compare these two functions. Now f of 1 is equal to 3 exponent 2 open bracket 1 close bracket, and when you simplify further, you have 3 raised to the power of 2, and this is equal to 9. Then for g of x, we put 1 there, and this becomes 9 to the power of 1. So we have 9 as our final answer. So option C is the correct answer. That is, f of x is equal to g of x. Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so that you don't get to miss next interesting lesson like this one. Thank you so much, and goodbye.